14 after the hour, Doug Steffens' Good Day program. Kenny and Jennifer and Richie and I have Brian Bouffard with us. I introduced him a bit before, former JAG officer, now civilian counsel. He's working in the area of stolen valor, military decorations, medals, and that sort of thing that are inappropriately used. How big a problem is this, Brian?
Well, it depends on what you mean by the word problem. Are a lot of people doing it?
Yeah, how much is this being abused, Brian? How many people and how often is this happening?
Well, you know, we're seeing it, at least anecdotally, quite a bit. You know, every now and then it seems like a new story comes out where somebody, you know, a legitimate veteran has gotten their cell phone camera out and confronted somebody who's clearly not wearing the uniform correctly and clearly is lying about what they say. And the reason why I kind of quibble about the word problem is because I'm concerned about what the solution seems to be, and that is more crimes, more laws, bigger government. So, yeah, I think I don't think people should do it, and I think that there are ways that they can be socially ostracized without having to create more opportunity for the government to put people in cages and kill them if they resist.
Why do we need a law to stop this? Why? I mean, most of the time they're just caught by other veterans who notice it and embarrass them.
Right, and that's precisely my point. I personally don't think that we need more laws, period, and I certainly don't think we need more criminal laws. So in my opinion, I think that these types of cases ought to be handled, you know, similar to the way things are, you know, maybe handled on the schoolyard a little bit, and that's social ostracism and being made to be embarrassed and you know, hopefully feel, you know, awaken their conscience to what they're doing and the fact that it's wrong. But
so
I don't think it's an excuse to expand government.
Why do you suppose Pennsylvania and New Jersey have passed their own stolen valor bills? What is going on there that's different than any place else?
Well, Pennsylvania, for example, is you know, making it a crime to falsely claim veteran status on your driver's license. New Jersey is essentially writing a New Jersey version of the same law that the federals are using. And, you know, again, I don't think any person of goodwill, and certainly no veteran, would ever support this kind of behavior. I'm just questioning the government's response to it.
Ryan, is this a bigger problem, people stealing stolen valor being because of egomaniacs, people who want to seem big, or are people trying to steal benefits?
Well, they're not able to steal government benefits because the government still is pretty good at knowing who actually is and is not a veteran. There are people out there who will, you know, for example, put on a uniform and go down and get the 10% discount at Denny's or something like that.
Right.
And yeah, I think that's pretty reprehensible, and I hope that those people don't sleep real well.
That's
okay.
a pretty bad effort to have to
Interesting
go get
overview. Brian, thank you for sharing some of your thoughts with us. Brian Bouffard here on Good Day.